2,
She's drawing back.
1, go. Oh.
I miss the cold winds of Helheim. I hate being stuck up here in this mortal abyss. It's so hot and I hate it. But until I can prove it to Mother, I'm stuck here.
Just stare at me. 3, 2, 1, go. So, what are you doing?
Want to read this book?
Just to check anyways.
I'm just gonna follow you and like because why not?
Being the only camp counselor here, the only perk is I don't have to listen to anybody. Well, I never was gonna listen to them anyways, but it's nice to have my own peace and quiet.
And he's here.
Becca.
What are you doing?
Hello, I know you're up there.
Hi.
Hi,
So, question for you.
What?
Are you like Sans from Undertale? Okay, I regret asking that question.
There's something going on here?
No, definitely.
Oh.
Definitely not.
What is that, first of all?
I have no clue, but I got hit by it.
But it is Dark Vows. Dark.
Oh, when did you get here?
I'm
But
always
they just kind
Well,
of
not a good question.
eyes everywhere.
That's weird.
Plastic bird gang.
I miss Helheim. It's so quiet and dull. There's nothing to do anymore. Stuck with the warm, stupid mortal plane. Sucks.
God damn it.
Don't worry about it.
They're up to something.
Do the test. About transferring a cat soul into here.
Why?
I just want to see something.
Huh?
We have a new member, apparently. Welcome to camp.
Hello.
Well, that's Ace.
What?
I'm pretty sure Ace was like here before, with that house or whatever.
Those are the dog.
New to me.
Fair enough.
Anyways, hello. Can I pick your? Can I pick your?
I believe we have that, correct?
I want to pick your
that.
wings.
Oh!
Ow.
Yeah. Funny thing is, he bit my wings when we first met. Yeah, I just.
It's not
bit my
biting.
wings.
It's called force acknowledgement. I can take the force of any person and know where they belong.
Don't bite me again, I swear to God, Justin. Not.
I'm very
What are
tempted
you up to?
Nothing?
Head pats. Aw. Head pats.
Again.
Hey, head pats.
Oh, I'm gonna regret this day.
Head pats.
Okay,
Give me head
man,
pats.
that's enough.
Arr.
Why?
Why you gotta be such a
I
dog?
want head pats.
There's nothing to do anymore.
Is this what you wanted? 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 Move it.
I hate this. I hate it. Why? Why, mother? Why must I stay here on this ungodly place? I want to go home.
No.
I want to return to Helheim. I don't want to be here. I hate this realm. Ugh.
Too bad suicide, buddy.
You do not want to say that to that guy.
I'd rather not be angry.
Excuse me.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, I got you. I got
You
you.
think it's fun being in camp?
No.
I don't have a choice.
You don't
Too
have a
bad
choice.
suicide, buddy. Get away.
No.
Very sad. I feel bad for you, honestly. That's why
I don't
feel
want
bad
your
for you.
pity.
Get a life, buddy. Nope. I'm running. I'm running.
You know, being this way isn't gonna make your scenario any better, right?
I know. But
Well, you
still,
want never
it's
mind,
funny.
actually.
No one likes you because he's always so aggressive.
Shut up. Shush. Stop it.
Why, dude, Justin, chill. Did you get yourself killed?
Nope. Nope. Okay.
He's getting himself.
I mean, I technically can't die because it's made from darkness. So,
Dude, do you know who he is? You can probably sever that.
I mean, my dad could just bring me back anyway. So, haha.
Darkness and death are two different things.
My dad can still bring me back from the dead.
Bring you back, you just won't be full.
Poke. 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 Poke.
Probably.
Poke.
I mean,
Your hair's fluffy.
okay. Do you want me to put him to sleep? You just want that.
No.
Justin, do it. Just
No.
sleep, Justin. Sleep.
No.
There you go, my sleep stick.
Uh,
You got him.
What?
Hypno.
Nothing. Painful.
Justin, follow
I know what you have.
follow
I have
me.
no idea what you're talking about. No?
Child,
Give
I
me
see
hypno-
everything.
hypnokinesis.
Why do you think I'm the camp? Why do you think I'm the worst counselor? Because I know everything. And I know what you're trying to do.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know if I'm having a voice. I am.
No. What the?
I
Did he
am.
hit me from his
I
stick?
prefer to be alone. If you can't do that.
Okay, wake up.
Okay.
oh.
Yeah, you're back here, bud. He's sleeping. Well,
I need to concentrate.
Anyways. I can't even access my room.
oh, sorry. Sorry.
I did something to you, by the way.
What did you do? I mean,
So probably in a few seconds, you'll probably get a bad stomach ache.
Maybe I can take it out on some of this.
I just want to do a spin. So you're gonna have a spin.
I'm not your puppet.
It's gonna get worse as time goes.
I'm not dumb.
Good luck with that. Well, that emo dude needs to chill. You get the pun. Nikki.
And I'm gonna get yelled at again.
You're very
I keep
adorable.
bringing in all the snow. I miss Helheim.
Thank you.
It's so boring and quiet here. I miss when there was souls everywhere. I miss when I could take the souls of others. Instead, I have to babysit these ungrateful brats.
That's a lot of snow.
Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away.
You need help cleaned up, buddy?
Oh.
So I can apologize for what I said last
No.
time? Okay. Well, helping cleaning up
I
anyway.
prefer to be alone when I am.
You don't always have to be alone. You know that, right?
I prefer to be alone.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me just help you out here. Justin, sleep. Yeah, he won't be able to do. Follow me, Justin. Follow me. Please.
Where's the child of Thanatos would have been here? I'd hypnotize. It's fine. It's fine.
Stay. We wake up.
Oh.
How did you?
Oh.
You keep
Okay.
falling. What do you
What
want?
in the world is up with my map? What is in the world? I can control how
Got
when
your
to put you to
tongue,
sleep, but
son.
not how long.
Anyways,
No.
just gonna close the door. Leave him there to sulk. Anyways.
Handful. I used to do a practice of
Just why
Aw.
you little
Run. I moved so quickly.
what the what is it?
Okay. Maybe I shouldn't do that.
Can I move? Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I can't. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Why is invisibility not blocked gold? I mean, I kind of make sense. That
funny.
feels so cool. Dude.
You okay, buddy?
Oh my god.
I'm fine.
Okay. Just know we all care for you. Even if
Thank you?
we don't.
What is going on with me? I feel...
Even if we don't really seem like it, we all care for you. You're a camp counselor.
I don't know. Thank you?
You're welcome.
What is this feeling? Ugh.
I think I know it. Appreciation.
Yes.
No, I know what appreciation is. I just... Ugh. I don't feel so well. It's just weird.
I mean, do you want me to check? I can use my...
I'm not alive. You can't really do anything to me.
Whatever you
Did
did.
it work?
I
Did
did
it
not know
work?
that,
Did
actually.
it work?
Okay,
Did it work?
that
Did it work? I
can't
don't
my
know.
power. Sorry.
It did, by the way.
What?
I did nothing.
Wait, don't move. Cleaning your feathers.
You know,
Don't peck my feathers. Don't peck my feathers.
I was cleaning them, okay?
Feathers are rolling.
That's definitely.
Oh.
Hiya, campers! How are you all doing today?
Whoa!
What?
Huh?
I guess it actually did work.
How are you doing today?
I'm good.
What do you mean it worked?
Boop.
What did you do?
Huh.
Hold up.
Want a hug now?
Nice to meet you.
You.
Welcome to the camp. My name is Cam.
Okay, can
Counselor
I talk
Deka. Lovely to meet you.
privately for a second? Yeah.
And you,
Okay.
I
I'm
apologize
so
for
happy.
my sword.
I injected him with a nice injection. This little thing.
You injected him with some drug?
Yes, and it's not gonna last for long, and I know that.
I'm gonna go give my turkeys a little appreciation.
Oh my god.
What? Okay, yeah. I'm stopping this now. Okay, I'm stopping.
Hello, my children. Skull and teeth.
You
Hello.
No, it's
Okay,
not.
please, if this is not, okay, yep. Okay,
Sorry.
yep.
You can't undo it until it wears off. It only lasts for
Oh,
like.
these things are so adorable.
These are my little turkeys. These are Skull and Hati.
I got them. Nice names.
How long does it last? Oh my
Good to know
I'm just
because
gonna
I was
tell you
planning to
right
use these
now,
for
you've been
experiments. But
drugged.
I
okay.
think it lasts
I'm
up
not-
to
This
at
dog is
least
also mine.
a few hours.
Brave.
At least 2 hours.
Aw.
Okay, can I talk to you for a minute?
Who's a good
Sure.
You need
boy?
to stop that right now.
Good
Cure it
boy.
right
I
now. Cure it.
can't.
And,
I'm the only one
and the
that-
drug.
it
Stop
only-
the drug. You
Who's a
I'm
good
the only
boy?
one that knows how to
Yes,
make
you
the
are.
cure.
He's a good boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I made it. So.
Inject the supplement already.
Mwah.
I have to make it.
Yeah.
Stay there.
Do it. Inject the
Turkeys.
stupid
Good
thing into
turkeys.
it.
Okay, fine.
I'm not making it.
Let's go.
I'm not making it.
I'm
not
gonna
making it.
step back for this, but you do it. Do it. Inject them.
I swear we used to have
With
animals.
removal.
Why? It doesn't
Because that's
last
not
long.
in. It's
Haha.
you're gonna die as soon as it's done. You're gonna die. At
It's
least if you do
okay.
it now,
Hold on,
I
give me a
you're
second.
going
You're
to
less mad.
know either way.
If you don't want me to look in your mind, you should stop.
Yeah.
Well, kids, I've got a class. I've got an activity. Come with me.
Sure.
Okay. Yay.
Hey.
I'm gonna
Hello,
laugh.
Pyra.
I
Nice
got
to
it.
see you.
Help me.
I'm gonna laugh if he pretends.
Acting drugged
Continue.
the cat or something. He
Alright.
drugged him.
Oh, what a mess I've made. Could you kids help me pick this up?
Sure.
Pyra, we
Hands
need
up,
to talk.
guys.
Follow me. Pyra, follow me.
This is cute. This is adorable.
Alright, kids. Today's activity is a little fun one. It's a little, well, in where I'm from, we used to make stuff from disembodied items. So today, I want you guys to create little objects in here.
Okay.
You can only
Oh,
use what's in this area. If you could find little trinkets, go ahead. Go find the rest. I will sit here and watch.
I've been begging
Okay, so
to.
he's not gonna get his hands on this book then. Okay, got it.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know what to do. What do we do?
You don't know what's in this book.
Okay, so
I'm just gonna.
how do I
I'm
put
just
this
gonna-
on top
Can we
of
just
it?
like
Nah,
okay, hide in my
never mind.
dorm? I'm just saying right now. Can we all hide in?
Why are you trying to put?
Okay.
No. What are you doing? No.
Oh.
No.
Ooh,
No.
interesting. What is this?
Stand for a doll. That's lovely.
Oh, whoops, my bad.
Ooh, food. I'm so sick of not just eating. I don't eat, but I love the taste of magic.
What?
Okay.
That's cool to know.
Oh, it's so good.
He sounds like that one character from the anime,
I
Natsu.
don't. Shut up.
I gotta go find. Here, you guys.
That spell lags.
Let me go find the rest.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Well, I'm gonna go.
Hmm.
Nope. I'm not dealing with this.
Where are you running off to? I said we had we had an activity.
Doing something.
Okay. I swear there was more people though.
Turn back and you see.
You'll go. Oh well. Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's probably turn back. Wait, 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
I don't know.
I decided to just make a new door. Why not?
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Have you seen the rest of the campers, kids?
No.
No.
Oh,
Just
that's a,
this.
I might have
these
to just
flowers
I
in
might have
here.
to dock some of their camping points for not
I'm
participating.
done.
What's
so I
up?
stuffed a bunch of flowers into this jar with a bunch of fireflies to make an enclosure.
Oh, it's beautiful. I love it.
Thank you.
Good.
So what is it like in Helheim?
It's cold. Most people wouldn't survive. That's where the souls of the damned.
Fun fact. Fact number 1. I only have a dad. I never had a mom.
I'm the same scenario. I don't have a dad. I only have a mom.
Fact number 2. I don't know half of
I
anything in
can
life because I
replace this
usually
in
been
Pyro's
living in the
room
void.
now.
I know what you are. You're darkness.
Yep.
Don't worry about me.
Just like me, and just
I
like
also have a void stomach.
full-fledged gods. The difference is I've been around for years.
I did it!
You have a void stomach, so I can eat anything.
Aww, that's so cute.
This is what happens when I turn flesh.
Well, I give you guys A pluses for. Oh, hello. Welcome back. Another volcano.
Okay, Dika, I'm invisible, but
Welcome.
sleep. Does it work? Like, just
I
try
can't
my
go to
ability
sleep.
here?
I'm not alive.
Right.
Where
Well,
are
I'm
you?
Well, maybe this will help.
Oh!
You're rugged right. Right. Snap out of it, please. You're creeping me out. And if
Don't believe anything he says.
Don't believe
Don't believe
he's just
anything
crazy.
he says.
Yeah, he's
What's-
just crazy.
Shut up!
What's the matter?
Sleep!
Shut up! Shut up!
Both of you
shut up!
sleep.
Shut up! Shut up!
Both of you sleep! Sleep!
Oh,
Sleep!
my head.
Sleep! Sleep! Sleep!
Oh, is the fact?
Ugh.
Is it? I think
Yeah,
he's
it's wearing off.
going
Thank
back
God.
to
Thank
normal.
actual God.
I'm gonna run.
You're not leaving.
He's
You
going
are
back-
not leaving.
Yeah,
Get over
yeah.
here.
Nope.
Get over
So-
here.
What the?
You're not leaving. You are
Nope,
not
nope,
leaving.
nope,
Dika, I
nope,
got you.
What?
That
You
sounds
are in
so
deep
like
trouble.
More
I got you. I'm not letting you leave.
Dad,
suffering.
I think it's just me. I this I snap they no.
Okay, Dika, I know who did it. I will tell you, just don't kill me. Just don't kill me. I know who did it. I'm trying to help you.
Get everyone now.
Understood, sir. Where? Okay.
You realize he knows everything?
Yeah, he knows, but you gotta go
Of
anyway.
course,
to the
I
end.
know everything,
Oh god!
including
Stewie. Yeah, I'm just going with it. Stewie.
everyone
Just-
outside now.
I'm gonna hide this.
Get everyone
I'll get the reply. I agree.
and meet me in the front of the entrance to camp.
Gotcha.
Jack.
Ooh.
I got
everyone
him.
here.
I got
Do
him.
something
He's
real
coming. He's
quick.
coming. He's
Can we
coming.
do something real
Yeah,
quick?
they're coming. They're coming.
Type in the chat.
Fall.
Ugh. Yay.
Fall. Fall.
Oh, let me do something real quick. Do something.
What made you think this was smart? To do this to me? Only reason that you all live is because I let the laws of life and death slip! And you try to change my good nature. You thought this was smart. And no one tried to stop you.
I tried.
No. And I will take full responsibility
I thought I was really wrong.
for this.
No one should change his pronouns.
And I'm taking
Since
full
you
responsibility.
wanted to see a nice version with me, now I'm showing you hell. You wanted me to be this nice counselor? I am more than what makes the odds. And you shouldn't have done what you've done. So now, I'm gonna give you a little gift. Rise! Everyone. You push my buttons. You're going to spend a day in Helheim. Now!
Jesus.
I said everyone.
Okay.
And if you don't go there willingly, I'll send you there.
You get out of characters.
Nice.
If I go through there, I might actually crash.
Just walk through it. I'm gonna cut through there. Now. Now!